Welcome to Raj classes. Today we'll discuss another pattern type. You just see the pattern 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you can see there are 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just see the pattern. Here, before printing the numbers, here you can see there are multiple spaces are there. These are the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, this. This is your line 1, this is line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. Total 5 lines. So for lines, I am taking integer capital N, suppose I am taking N as a variable for line number. We have discussed in previous videos also. Suppose I am inputting the number, the value of N, that is 5. So there are 5 lines. Clear? How to attend this type of a question? You just see what is the logic to solve this program. Just see, in previous logic, just see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? So the I loop will be, the line loop will be like this. I equal to 1, then I less than equal to what? N. Clear? As there are N number of lines. So I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So I will start from 1, I less than equal to N, because there are N number of lines. Now I have taken the N value is 5. So this loop will continue and it will print 5 number of lines, because I have taken N value is 5. Clear? Now see, this will be less than equal to, so this will be I plus plus. Clear? Now see, inside this line loop, you can see there are multiple spaces in a line. After that, the number will come. Then here you can see multiple spaces are there. After that, number are coming. Clear? Here you can see multiple spaces. After that, numbers are coming. Clear? So for spaces, we will take one loop. For these spaces, we will take one loop. Just see, because multiple spaces are there, just see what will be this loop. For spaces, I have to take another loop. Suppose variable is S, I am taking. From which value S will start and in which value S will end. Just see the condition. First time I value is 1. So for I equal to 1, this is line number 1. Here I equal to 1. Here I equal to 2. For this line I equal to 3. For this line I equal to 4. For this line I equal to 5. You can see. Because 5 times this loop will continue. Clear? Now see, when I equal to 1 for this line, how many spaces are there? 4 spaces. Clear? When I equal to 2, how many spaces are there? 3 spaces. Clear? Total number of lines is N, that is 5. You just see. When I equal to 3, total number of spaces, that is 2. When I equal to 4, total number of spaces is 1. When I equal to 5, number of spaces is 0. That means when I equal to 1, this space loop will continue for 4 times. If I will start space loop from 1, then S will end in such a value that, so that for first line, when I equal to 1, this loop will continue for what? 4 times. When I equal to 2, it will end with, it will continue for 3 times. Clear? Just see, when I equal to 1, S will continue for 4 times. Suppose I am writing 4. Here it will continue for 4 times. 1, 2, 4. Next, it will continue for 3 times. It will continue for 2 times like this. So this will be one variable. Which variable we will decide from here. You just see the logic. I equal to 1, S equal to 4, I equal to 2, S equal to 3. Just see these values. I can write this as n minus I. Understood or not? Can I write this when I equal to 1, S will continue n minus I times. It will start from 1 and end with n minus I. Just see, n value is 5, 5 minus 1, this is 4, 5 minus 2, this is 3, 5 minus 3, this is 2, 5 minus 4, this is 1, 5 minus 5, this is 0. Clear? We'll just put this value here. Clear? Just see, S will end with what? This is n minus I. Understood? This is n minus I. As less than equal to, this will be S plus plus. Clear? This is n minus I. Now, here we have to print what? One space. Print F, one space. Here we have to give one space. Then this is the n. Clear? Now, after number of spaces, some numbers are coming. In each line, some numbers are printing. So for numbers, we have to take another loop. For numbers, suppose I am taking z. From which value z will start and in which value z will end? You just see. When I value is 1, for first line, I value is 1, j starts from which value? 1 and ends with 1. We have discussed this type in previous videos. When I value is 2, for second line, j starts from 1 and ends with 2. Clear? When I value is 3, j starts from 1, ends with 3. When I value is 4, j starts from 1, ends with 4. When I value is 5, j starts from 1, ends with 5. Clear? So j always starts from which value? A constant, that is 1. So I will write here j equal to 1. As j starts from smaller value, j less than equal to. Clear? So just see in which value j will end. This is a variable type. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So just see, j when I value is 1, j ends with 1. When I value is 2, j ends with 2. When I value is 3, j ends with 3. Like this, when I value is 5, j ends with 5. So j ends with, you can say, with which value? This is I. Nothing but I. So I can write here j less than equal to I. All of you understood? Just see. This is less than equal to, so this will be j plus plus. Clear? Now, we have to print what? Just see. When I value is 1, j starts from 1 to 1 and printing what? 1. You can see. When I is 2, j will start from 1 and ends with 2. It will continue for 1 and 2, both value. 2 times it will continue, j loop. And it is printing what? 1 and 2. Then I value 3, j continue for which value? 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? Because it will start with 1, end with 3, when I value is 3. So it will continue for 1, 2 and 3. What it is printing in I value 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can see it is printing what? J value. So you can directly write printf as numbers are printing percentile t, then j. Understood? Very simple. Clear? Then after completion of all numbers, when it will print all numbers in a line, after this, what? Before going to the next line, What will be there? Printf. What? To go to the next line, \n. Clear? And this is the end of IDO. Clear? This is the logic to print this pattern. You can see. Suppose I value is 1, 1 less than equal to, this is I, 1 less than equal to n, this is I plus plus. Then S will start from 1, n minus I, n value is 5 minus 1, this is 4. So it will continue for 4 times and it will print what? 4 spaces. You can see it will print 4 spaces. So here it will print 4 spaces. After this loop, when S value will be 5, it will go out of this loop, space loop. Then it will come to this loop, j equal to 1, j less than equal to I value is 1. So it will start from 1 and ends with 1. So it will continue for 1 time and it will print what? J value. This is j value, nothing but 1. So it will print 1. Clear? Understood? After when j value will be 2, it will go out of this loop. Clear? Because I value is 1 first time. Then here this statement will execute. This is printf \n. So it will go to the next line. So processor will come to the next line. Clear? Now see, when I value is 2, S will start from 1 and this is 5 minus I. This will be 5 minus 2. That is 3. So this loop will continue for 3 times and it will give 3 spaces. Clear? Next, it will come to this loop. J will start from 1, j less than equal to I value is 2, so it will work for 1 and 2 and printf j, it will print what? 1 and 2. Clear? Then again printf \n, cursor will come here. When I value is 3, so space equal to 1, this is s equal to 1, s less than equal to 5 minus 3, this will be 2. Clear? So it will work for 1 and 2 and it will print for 2 spaces. Then this loop will continue for 1 to I means 3. So 1 to 3, that means 1 for 1, 2, 3. So print j means it will print what? 1, 2, 3. Like this. Same way, then again it will go to this line. Same way it will give 1 space and it will print 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see. Then when I value is 5, I value is 5 less than equal to 5, it will work. And here you can see space equal to 1, n minus I. 5 minus 5, this is 0. So s equal to 1, s less than equal to 0. It will not go inside this loop. So it will not give any space. Then it will come here. J equal to 1, j less than equal to 5. I value is 5 last time. So it will work for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 values it will print. J value is, it is printing. First time j value is 1. So it will print 1 again. J will be 2 like this. It will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Then it will go to the next line. Then when I value will be 6, 6 less than equal to 5, it will go out of this loop and this structure will be printed. So this program will print this, what? This structure. All of it clear? Very simple logic. You can see. Then we discuss another pattern type. Just see. Suppose instead of this pattern, just see, this is 1, this is 2, 2, this is 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Just see how, what will be the logic for this. Just see, pattern is same, no need to change what? This loop. Clear? Because number of spaces also same. No changes in space loop, no changes in j loop, no changes in I loop. Only in printing part we have to change. Clear? Just see. This is, instead of printing Z value, what we have to print? Just see. In printing part, we have to put sense. When I value is 1, just see what it is printing. Z will start from 1, ends with 1. No changes in space, space is same. Clear? We have discussed already. Now come to this printing part. Printing the numbers. When I value is 1, Z loop will continue from 1 to 1. Clear? And it is printing what? 1. When I value is 2, Z loop will continue for 1 and 2. Both value. It will start from 1 and ends with 2. So it will continue for 1 and 2, and it is printing 2 and 2. You can see. Same. I value is 3. Z loop will continue for 1, 2 and 3. And it is printing 3, 3, 3. Clear? When I value is 4, Z continue for 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is printing 4, 4, 4, 4. When I value is 5, Z will continue for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These values. So it will print what? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. You can see when I value is 1, whatever the Z value is continuing, we don't bother about that. But what it is printing? 1. When I value is 2, it is printing 2 and 2. Z loop will continue 2 times. So whatever we will print, that will print 2 times. So what it is printing? 2 and 2. When I value is 3, it is printing 3, 3, 3. So you can say that it is printing I value. In J loop, it will continue. But what it is printing? I value. So you can directly write printf percentile D as it is numbers, then I value. Clear? So it will print this pattern. All of it clear? This is very simple. You can see when I value 1, space, loop will continue from 1 to n minus I, 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 times it will continue and it will give 4 spaces. Clear? After this, J will start from 1 and ends with 1 and it will print what? I value. So it will continue for 1 time and it will print 1 value, that is I value, that is 1. Next, print a backslash and it will come to this line, and when I value 2, spaces will be 1, 2. This is n minus I, that is 5 minus 2, this is 3. 3 spaces will be there. You know. Then it will come to this loop. It will work for 1 and 2 because I value is 2. So it will print this value 2 times. I value is what? I value is constant inside this loop. I value is constant, J value is changing, but I value is constant inside this J loop. So it will print this constant value, that is 2 and 2. 2 times. Clear? Then print a backslash and it will come to the next line. When I value 3, same. 5 minus 3, this will be 2. So 2 spaces will be there. Then this loop will continue for 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? So 3 times it will print I value. I value now it is 3. So 3 times it will print what? 3. Clear? Very simple. Then it will go to the next line. Then when I value 4, and this will be 1 to 5 minus 4, that is 1. So 1 time it will work and it will give 1 spaces. Then it will come to this loop. This will be 1 to I, that is 4. So it will work for 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? And whatever printing, that will be print 4 times. So what 4 times printing? I value is now 4. So 4 times 4 will be there. Clear? Now print a backslash and it will go to the next line. When I value 5, 5 less than equal to 5, yes, it will work. Then s equal to 1, s less than equal to 5 minus 5, 0. It will not work. It will not go inside this loop. It will come to here. And 1 to 5. It will work for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values. 5 times it will print. Which value? I value. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Clear? Very simple logic. You can clear. Are you understood? Now come to another pattern. Just see, this is star, 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 star. This is star, 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 star. You can see same pattern, no need to change anywhere. Just see, instead of printing I value or j value, what we have to print? We have discussed in previous videos. What we have to print? You may not have to change any loop because pattern is same. Only changing in the printing part. We have to print what? Only star. Print F star. Clear? If it will be dollar, then you will print dollar. Because it is a character constant. Clear? This is very simple. Now come to another pattern. Suppose it is given A, B, B, C, 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 D, 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 then E, 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 E. Now you can see these are the character constants, so we have to take one character type variable. Clear? This type of AB pattern we have discussed in previous videos, different pattern with AB. So we have to take one character variable and we have to change in this printf pattern, printf line. Because we need not have to change in what? Loop, because pattern is same. Now take one character variable to print this pattern. Suppose I am taking CH character variable. This is suppose CH and I am starting this CH from which value? This character constant, that is A. For this, inside single quote I have to take because the A is the character constant. I am assigning CH as capital A. You know the ASCII value of capital A is 65. Clear? Right? Now see. CH equal to A. Same spaces will be there. So what we have to print? When I value is 1, first time I value is 1. What we are printing here? A. When I value is 2, what we are printing? B, B. When I value 3, what we are printing? C, C, C. So, what? CH value is changing in each line. Clear? So, we have to print what? Printf, percentile. These are the character type, percentile C, then CH. We are printing the value of CH. First time C, it will print A. When I value is 1, it will work for 1 and ends with 1, so it will work for 1 only once, it will print. So after giving 4 spaces, it will print A. Then it will go to the next line. When I value 2, it will work for 1 and 2, it will print CH. So before going to the next line, we have to what? Modify the value of CH. Otherwise it will print again A. So after completion of this loop, when it is going to the next line, before going to the next line, we should modify the value of CH. CH plus plus you can write. Because next time it is printing B. Clear? So that next time it will work for 1 and 2, it will print B, B. 3 spaces will be there. After that it will print B, B. Clear? Otherwise you can write here, instead of CH plus plus, you can write CH equal to CH plus 1. This is same as. This is post increment. Clear? Then when I value 3, it will go to the next line, it will give 2 spaces, after that it will print C, C, C. Then 1 spaces, it will print D, 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 D. Then no spaces with. This will be I times E. Clear? So it will print this structure. Clear? Now come to another pattern. Suppose another pattern is A, then AB, ABC, ABCD, ABCDE. Clear? Now see, we have to modify only in the printing part. No need to change in loop. Clear? As structure is same, pattern is same, no need to change in the looping part. Clear? Now see, when I value is j, what? 1. I value is 1, it is printing A. When I value is 2, it is starting from A, ending with B. Each time you can see, whatever the I value, it is starting from A. So CH equal to A, we need not have to write here. Instead of writing above the loop CH equal to A, we declare only the variable CH above the loops. But inside I loop, because I loop is for line number of lines, I am taking I loop. So inside I loop, we have to write what? CH equal to A. Each time CH starting from A. All of you clear? Why I am writing here inside loop? Because for each line, whatever the I value, CH is starting from, because here we will print what? CH value. Printed percentage C, then CH. Clear? Each time, whatever the I value, CH always starts from A. Clear? Now, this is whatever the value we are printing, this is J loop. Inside J loop, we are traveling more than one time and we are printing. Yes or no? These are the J. Each line is the I. Inside each line, whatever we are printing, that is J. So, you can see in J loop, the value of CH is modified. A, B, C, D. So CH is incrementing inside which loop? J loop. So we have to write what? CH plus plus inside J loop. Here. Now just see what it is printing. For I equal to 1, first time I equal to 1, I less than equal to, this is suppose 5. 1, this is 5 minus 1, this is 4. It will continue for 4 times, it will give 4 spaces. Clear? Then j equal to 1, j less than equal to I means 1. So it will work for once. So it will print what? CH, that is A. Then CH plus plus, CH will be B. Clear? Then what? J less than equal to, j value is 2, 2 less than equal to 1. Condition false, it will go out of this loop. Then print a backslash and it will go to the next line. Then I value will be 2, 2 less than equal to 5, yes, CH will be again what? A. CH value now A. Previously it was V, now it is A. Because it is assigned to A. Then for loop will continue for 1 to n minus 5 minus I value is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So this will continue for 3 times and it will print 3 spaces. After this, j equal to 1, j less than equal to I means 2. It will work for 1 and 2. It will print the CH value. That is what? CH value. Now A. Then CH will be plus plus. This will be 65. Plus plus means 66. ASCII character of 66 is capital B. So it will be CH value now. This is B. For j equal to 2, 2 less than equal to I value 2. So yes, then it will print B. Clear? Then CH value will be C. Then print a backslash and it will go to the next line. Again I value will be 3. 3 it will work 5 minus 3, this is 2. So it will give 2 spaces. It will continue for 1 and 2. It will give 2 spaces. After this it will come to this loop. 1, 2, 3. I value 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 times it will work. So percentile C, CS value is now modified to A. So it will print A. After this CS will be B. Clear? Then J will be 2 less than equal to 3. Then it will print V. Then again J value will be 3 less than equal to 3. Yes, it will print C. Like this. Again it will give one space. Then it will be A, B, C, D. And last line just consider when I value is 5. Then 5 less than equal to 5. Yes. Then this is 1. 5 minus 5. This will be 0. It will not work. It will not give any space. Come to here. 1 J less than equal to 5. So it will work for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will print what? CS value is assigned to what? Again assigned to A. So it will be first time A. Then CS plus plus. J value is 2. Then it will print CS. Now CS value is plus plus means A plus plus means 66, that is B. So it will print B. Then CS plus plus. CS value will be C. Then when J value is 3. Clear? 3 less than equal to what? I value 5. 3 less than equal to 5. It will print what? C. When J value is 4. CS value will be D. So it will print D. When J value 5. CS value will be what? E. So it will print E. When J value is 6. 6 less than equal to 5. Condition false. It will go out of loop. Then print a backslash n. So it will go to the next line. When I value is 6, it will go total loop outside the I loop. Clear? So this structure will be printed. Clear? You can see. Say. So today we'll stop, and in next video we'll discuss some more pattern type. Thank you.